In this video, we will be comparing two powerful jump starters, the AVAPOW 6000A and the HPBS jump starter. We'll explore their specifications, features, and overall value, helping you decide which one is the best fit for your automotive needs. Let's dive into the details. The AVAPOW 6000A boasts a peak current of 6,000 A's, making it capable of jump-starting larger diesel engines and providing reliable starts in demanding situations. In contrast, the HPBS jump starter offers a peak current of 3,000 A's, which is suitable for most vehicles, but may struggle with larger engines. This significant difference in peak current is a crucial factor to consider when choosing between these two jump starters. When it comes to price, the AVAPOW 6000A is priced at $219, reflecting its higher peak current and additional features. On the other hand, the HPBS jump starter is a more budget-friendly option at $99. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you are looking for a reliable jump starter without breaking the bank. Both jump starters come with useful additional features. The AVAPOW 6000A includes a powerful LED light with multiple modes and dual USB ports for charging devices. Meanwhile, the HPBS jump starter features a 3.0 inches LCD display that provides clear information about battery status and output, along with essential safety features. These added functionalities can enhance your experience and usability in critical situations. In conclusion, both the AVAPOW 6000A and HPBS jump starter have their strengths and weaknesses. The AVAPOW is ideal for those needing a powerful jump starter for larger engines, while the HPBS offers a more affordable and portable solution for everyday use. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.